This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came by way of Frank over at 5 a.m. Ramen. He runs instantramen.jp. You can go use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount on some fine premium instant noodles from Japan. This is 7-Eleven Gold with their Maruchan, Iida, Shoten, Shoyu. Yeah. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount, sucker. Okay. So he calls this the finest chicken forward shoyu ever. Like ever. He's pretty stoked on this from what I was reading. So it does come with a pepperoni chashu, which I will try, but I will not have in my final beauty shot of this stuff, because I mean, look, it looks like pepperoni, but I can't go with those. They just drive me nuts, but that's okay. That doesn't mean there's anything wrong with this stuff. However, we can do that, and we can do that. That. So there we go. It's a going. This goes here, and we wait for 5 minutes, and you hang out. There's a big wet sachet and a smaller wet sachet, and then it even comes with a slice of nori, sushi nori, or seaweed. There you go. And now we wait. So what's on the horizon? I just came out with the top 10 spicy list for 2023, which you are in now, so it makes more sense. It's November. I just came out with it. And people are probably thinking, why is it the 2023 list? Is he selling cars? But really what the deal is that the list will be active mostly in 2023. That's the logic I've decided to espouse to this new annual naming thing. So if it comes out after June, or I don't know, I think I came out with lists in July that were 2022, but generally if more of it is going to be in the following year of it being an active list, then that's the year that will be predicated on the list. So that's my explanation, and that's what you get. So yeah. But looking forward to going up to the home I grew up in tomorrow and eating some delicious soup for Thanksgiving. And this weekend, I think we're probably going to set up. We got an artificial Christmas tree. Mainly because I don't want to drag a Christmas tree out to the dumpster every year and like do it by dark of night and cover of night. So because they say don't do that, we don't want you to do that, you need to arrange for a pickup and blah blah blah. And you know how much they charge to pick up a Christmas tree? It's not cheap. And although the nice part is going to the Christmas tree place, and then they're like, you want us to cut a little bit off the bottom with you want a fresh cut? Like, yeah, and so the kids go, wow, while they yank out the chainsaw and slice the end off. That's good fun. But one of these years we'll go out and we'll get a Christmas tree where you got to get a permit. So you can get a permit from the state of Washington to slice up a tree, and you have to go out to what's called the Okanagan, and that's like an area east of the mountains. Sounds like a nightmare, but it would be like drive 3 hours, get all up in the snow, because at that time of year there's going to be snow on the ground, pull out a hacksaw, cut it down, and then because you get to go in like in a forested area and just cut down a tree, then you gotta figure out how to get it on the car with some like baling twine, because the place we usually go is a joint called Country Farms. They're usually a produce market during the year. And then they switch over to, having pumpkins right when they're about to close down for the winter. And then they open up again just for trees and wreaths and flocking and mistletoe and all that junk. But anyways, yeah, they'll put it up on your car for you. They got these dudes just running back and forth, throwing them up on cars, tying them up. But they know how to do it. They don't screw around. So, would you like a net on your tree? Oh, please. Yeah, so. I don't know. That could be a good adventure or a horrible one. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. But something to do. I've done that once before, and it was really, really not fun to like get all dirty and funky and cut a tree down. It wasn't the wonderful experience that I expected. So I don't know, but I think the kids would probably dig it, watching me get all dirty and cutting down a tree. They'd probably want one. That's the thing too. You can't get one that's too tall. If you get one that's too tall, it's not going to fit in your apartment. And if it doesn't fit in your apartment, you're stuck with too tall of a tree. And in the end, you also have to try to figure out how to get rid of it. So, I'm not sold. I'm not sold on that one. Maybe one of these days.Maybe. Anyways, that's that. Maybe someday we'll just have a house and just grow a Christmas tree in the front yard and decorate that, Then it can just hang out. Alright. Maybe I will use this chashu. It looks kind of nice. But it looks like pepperoni. It looks like not the right thing. Let's get all the gunk off it. It got big. That's impressive. Yeah, there's our slice of pretend chashu. I know the noodle and soup is going to be out of this world. I'm going to use my own chashu. But no, I'll use the fine. Yeah, and I'll have to try it after after I'm done here. After the beauty shots. Yeah, I wish the sun would just go away. This must be the chicken forward aspect. It's it's very clearish liquid. Yeah, definitely getting a chickeny kind of aspect out of that. Must need your sachets. They need to be kneaded. Okay, let's add this large sachet of goo. Goo. Thinner goo, not thick like tonkatsu. Tonkatsu. Alright. Had a really interesting, I posted in Ramen Junkies. Ramen Junkies, the most popular Facebook group on the face of the planet. I'm the administrator, and everybody enjoys it all day and all night. Nobody ever fights in there. And somebody commented on YouTube the other day about me using a fork. It kind of just happens all the time. I get like a weekly fork diss, which I think is kind of fun. But yeah, people were like, wow, can't believe that. Got a lot of, I'm Asian and I use a fork for everything. I like them way better than chopsticks. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. But Frank, you can pick them. That's a good one. That is a very good one. Wow. That's what you call a 5-star shoyu. This is what we call a bowl. With tonkatsu in it. All right, let's make this pretty. Try to give it its comb over. I'm sure somebody's gonna say, you're supposed to use chopsticks to do the comb over, dude. Maybe I'll try that one of these days. There's a term for what I'm doing here, too. For kind of doing the comb over the noodle. And I remember seeing it once, and hell if I can remember what it was. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna eat it. Wow. That is lovely. Wow. Generally, those aren't all that great, but that one, boy, that one tasted quite good. Okay. Wow. I'll have you rate this. I think I'm running out of juice in my happy pain device. No, maybe not. There we go. Sometimes I just push down the valve switch plate deal and it doesn't put out as much gusto. And we got our egg. Our egg feels as if it's not acting the way it should. But maybe it did. Yeah, it was pretty well behaved. Yeah, I can live with that. I guess I have to live with my egg. And wrapping up, the third and most likely final day of reviewing for this week. Yeah, what is it? The 23rd? So I did the 21st through the 23rd. I've been doing reviews. And the last time I did reviews was the 2nd of November. So this is cool. But yeah, I spent God, I want to swear that I did almost 40 days straight of doing 3 to 4 reviews a day. And that got me a little ahead of the game. So I'm still I take all these long breaks from reviewing, and then I'm still well over 100 reviews ahead. Yeah, which is nice. I like that. I can pursue other interests like baking ramen bread or making ramen pizza or ramen ice cream that nobody's interested in except for me, but that's all right. I'm okay with that. That makes me happy. But yeah, let me just say the chashu that comes with this is, dare I say, usually the one that blows my mind is the who makes it? The Nissan Rao. This is way the F better than the Nissan Rao. It tastes so much better. Interesting. Well, let's let this rotato it up. Here we go. All right, well, that's it for me for this week. Belated happy Thanksgiving to you in February. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy almost St. Patrick's Day, I'm guessing. Yeah, now it's March for you, isn't it? Wow, crazy. It's almost my birthday. For you, not for me, it's November. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Check out instantramen.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, and bye.